So you're a winner right away.
You know what annoys me?
What?
That Eric's name.
Sex Bagel?
I don't like it. I don't understand it. Where did that come from?
We've never explained.
You have to like.
He was working on a wacky radio show, and they named him Sex Bagel. So maybe we just rename him.
It's probably something he got caught doing.
Yeah,
no, it's actually a boring story. It has nothing to do with anything. When he comes up
there
here,
has
we'll ask
to be
him.
a story behind a name like that.
We'll ask him. He told me once, and I don't remember because it was just like, oh, all right, whatever.
You know what it is? There's the type of guy he is, and his personality, and the way he looks. There's nothing in there that should have like the sex thing in there.
You don't think he gives off sex appeal?
Personally, no, I don't think he does. But I'm not even going that far. I'm just saying, it's not. I don't know what he gives off, but it's not. It just doesn't seem to be a name that fits him.
Right.
And it just disturbs me when people call him that.
What should we call him?
Eric, perhaps.
Nice boy.
It's just ugh.
We'll have it all set up.
Okay. A lot of people want to know why Sex Bagel.
Yeah. Where did that?
I don't think we ever
name
explained
come
it
from?
on the radio.
Oh, it's a stupid story.
It's pretty gee.
Yeah,
I think we're going to rename you.
that's fine if you want to do that.
We're going to rename you.
I've been
something.
using that name since '97 anyway, so it's probably
97.
Since 97, everybody.
something more masculine, like Robert Reed's balloon knot.
So what's the story
Was-
behind Sex Bagel?
While I was at college in Pennsylvania, there was a local shit station. I was working the nighttime shift, and these two guys after me doing the late night wanted to be Love Lines so bad.
Yeah.
These two dumb rednecks. And the PD said, well, one of them can't come in that night. Can you run the board? Fine, I ran the board, but I wouldn't talk because I just didn't like their show. And the one host kept trying to get me to do sex
You wouldn't
advice.
talk? I don't believe it already.
Yeah.
I thought,
You don't know when to shut up. Ed and I were discussing that again today. Oh, my God.
That topic comes up.
A lot.
Eric just enjoys talking to everybody.
He's very excited to be here. I can't fault the guy that he's working for
course
two
not.
guys that have been doing this for 10 years and just want to collect a paycheck and get the hell out of the business. I understand. He's the young go-getter. I remember being like him.
Yeah, back in the old days.
No, we're just kidding, Eric. Relax.
so what happened? So the guy kept trying to get me to do sex advice, and what do I know? So I wasn't going to do anything. Caller came in late towards the end of the show. Some female finally asked. So I said, I forgot what the question was, but I gave her advice. She's like, "Oh, that's really good."
By the way, when you're telling these little stories, here's a good idea. Have a point. It makes it so much more interesting for the listener.
Yeah, I talk too much, but I also listen too much, too.
He's the genuine article.
Yeah, you are the genuine article. Let me tell you something. I like me. My wife likes me. My customers like me. I'm the genuine article. With his stupid perm and stupid mustache.
Go on, hurt me. I'm an easy target.
Yeah, go on, hurt me. If it
Big
makes,
fat head just shaking.
doesn't he say if it makes you feel better, go ahead.
Oh,
go ahead, hurt
great.
me. I'm
That's
an easy
another
target.
must-watch movie for this show.
Planes, trains, and automobiles.
Oh, it's brilliant.
So what were you saying? You haven't been home in 8 years. Yeah. So anyway, so the guy was trying to be funny. He wanted to say sex advice from the bagel because, my last name rhymes with bagel. And he
Oh,
goes,
is that where that
yeah.
came
So he
from?
goes,
Look at-
advice
all right.
from the sex bagel. And then he just thought it was funny, so he kept calling me that for months. And then everyone
You
else
thought it
just
was
kept
funny
calling
because
it.
you use it now.
Well, I just wound up using it because It's your everyone screen called name. me it. So I had it by default,
Yeah.
and then I just kept using it.
All right.
All right, you're right, Opie.
It was a stupid story. Something cooler. How about 1 of 5 busted in Paramus? That's a little bit of a cooler.
We got to get that other line from Planes, Trains, and Automobiles where he's doing the caddy doll or whatever it is.
Yeah.
That,
You probably pull your own string.
yeah.
Big fat guy in a motel room just wants to sleep and have friends.
All right.
I like the end of that movie when he watches Steve Martin and his wife kissing, and his little fat hands are just in his hat.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a really great shot.
all sad.
Yeah.
I love that movie.
Stupid wife went and died.
All right. Thank you, Eric.
Ah,
So we're
very
going to
good.
go to, I guess we have to go to break then so we can get the studio set up for...